Hello. So when you are on your Shopify store, just go to settings and then go to users and permissions. So if you want to add any stuff, click on add stuff, or if you want to um, change the existing user account, let's say I'm just adding on stuff for now. Let's say it's his name is something else like Rakib. So I'm using an email. I'm using a dummy email. So that's it. And then whenever you're done with that, you'll have to choose the user permission. So for your um, developer, you have to give him at least the online store theme and pages settings. I mean access. Then they may need to add or delete the apps, so you have to give the settings, or you can just select all and then deselect the edit permission and payments and billings, other stuffs. And rather than that, a developer may need um, other credentials and access, and then you'll have to just send invite. So whenever you're done with sending invitation, so yeah, you'll have to see and go to the actual user, and then you will be able to change his permissions. Let's say you don't want him to see the orders, so just click on that and save it. So yeah, uh, that's how it works. Thanks for watching.